Have you ever felt the QuickBooks is great for accounting, but not enough for managing customers and sales? Many small businesses have this problem. They use one tool for accounting, another tool for customer management, and they use another for scheduling. It quickly becomes confusing. That is where Method CRM comes in. It works together with QuickBooks and helps you manage customers, estimates, jobs, invoices, and much more from one place. In this video, I will show you how to use Method CRM step by step. If you are a complete beginner, don't worry, we will go slowly, and by the end of today's video, you will understand the basics of Method CRM. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover the best software for growing your business. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description if you want to try Method CRM, because by using the description link you will always get the latest offer if it is available. Now let's get started. First thing you need to do is create your Method CRM account. Just take the link from description and go to the start free trial or click on this start free trial. Now here just write your business information or email address here. But if you want the faster process, then you can use sign up with Google, Microsoft and Xero. I'm using my Google, just clicking here, selecting my Gmail and clicking continue. Basically, it will take you just 1 minute to create your account. Now here, I just need to write my organization name, that is Easy Access Tech for me. Okay, after submitting all of this information, just click on this start free trial. If you already use QuickBooks or Xero, then you will also have the option to connect it during this setup. One of the Method CRM's biggest advantages is its real-time two-way sync with QuickBooks and Xero. So information stays updated in both systems automatically. So I used Xero before, so I'm just going with this one, clicking next. If you already use QuickBooks, then you can go with that. Now clicking next. What industry are you in? Now it will ask you some question about your business. Just enter your business information and create your account. So IT and computer related. What's your primary role? Consultant, and clicking next. How can we help with your business? What kind of service you are expecting or you want to get from Method CRM? Just click here and clicking next. Just connect your previous account of Xero or QuickBooks. Now clicking continue. Let's log into Xero. The process will be same if you are using QuickBooks here. It's basically saying to check our email. Let's go to email and then just give the access. Okay, so our Xero is connecting right now. Let's give it some time. That's it, basically it's connected. Now let's go to the dashboard and then it will ask you to add your team members. So if you have, then you can add your team member, you can invite them. Now we are on the dashboard of Method CRM. Now let's create our first lead. On the left side, just click on this customers and lead section. Now here you can see there is option called add contact. Basically add contact means adding new lead. So just clicking. Now here just enter a customer's name, then add their email, their phone number, and if you know their company name, you can enter that too. Okay, so after writing the first name, email and the company name, what I will do, just click on this save. If you have more information about your customer, like what type of customer, the status, and if you want, then you can assign any team member to handle this customer. And that's it, basically. Your first lead is now inside Method CRM. Next, let's record an activity. For that, just head over to this activities section. Now click on this add activity. Now click on this drop down and now you will see the contact that we just created. So I'm just selecting this lead. If I scroll down, then you can see there are different kinds of tabs that connected to the customer. So you can choose the activity, what kind of activity you want to add. After that, simply click on this save and back. If you want, then you can add note or tag about your phone call, meeting or follow-ups. If you want, you can also set reminder for another day. This is a great way to remember every conversation with your customer. Now let's create an estimate. From the left panel, just click on this estimate section. Just add a new estimate. Choose the customer that we have already created. You will have a list of customer, so just select the one that you need. Just choose the estimate dates here. Then you can add the expiry date. You can assign your team member. You can give a title. And after doing all of this thing, now add your product or service here. You can write description, then enter your quantity and the price. When everything looks good, just click on this save. If your QuickBook or Zero account is connected, then this estimate can sync between Method CRM and QuickBooks or Zero. So you don't have to enter the same information twice. Now let's look at the jobs. Just simply go to the app marketplace. You can see there is jobs. One of the newer features in Method CRM is the job app. Instead of jumping between different screens, you can manage the entire job from one place. So just click on this jobs, add pack, add a new user. So just install the job apps and it will be on your this main dashboard. So let's go to jobs, create a new job. Just click on this plus button here. Again, just choose the customer that we created earlier, then select the contact. Now you can connect estimates, work orders, visits, invoices and other job details together. So let's do that. In progress, priority, medium. After connecting all of these things, just click on this save and schedule visit. This makes it much easier to manage service business because everything stays organized in one record. After creating the job, you can schedule the work. Again, let's go to app marketplace. Here you can see the schedule. Just install this. Click on add pack. Now install. Now here just look for the schedule and head over to this section. Click on this add event. After selecting your customer, adding estimate, you can add the jobs. Just add your job, then change the schedule. Let's say scheduled, then select your date. Then here just you need to select your date and time. Then you can assign it to yourself or your team members. Now if you want, then you can give an instruction or you can add a note. Then just click on this save. If you want to add any attachment or file, then you can do that. We are just clicking save. After scheduling or adding your team member, everyone in your team knows when the work needs to be completed. This is especially useful if you have employees working outside the office. Once the work is finished, it's time to create an invoice, right? So let's go to invoice. Again, just go to job. Then from the list, just select the job. Now move to the invoice section. Click on this new invoice or this plus icon here. Customer and the contact that will be already selected. Scroll down a little bit. Now to edit this information, click on this pen icon or edit button here. You can edit all of this detail here. Since it is a demo account, I don't have any practical customer here. So if you have one, then you can see the estimate amount, work order amount and all of this detail. But you will have all of this because Method CRM works closely with QuickBooks or Zero. Your invoice can also stay synchronized with your accounting records. This reduces mistakes and save a lot of time. Another useful feature is customer management. Now let's go to the customers and leads. When a customer calls you, then you can quickly open your customer profile. You can see all of their contact information and each of the detail. You can see previous activities, invoices, payments, estimates and all of the thing. Everything is stored in one place, so you don't have to search through different systems. Method CRM also allows you to customize many parts of the platform. You can add custom fields, you can create your own workflow, you can change forms and you can add automations. As your business grows, you can adjust the CRM to match your own process instead of changing the way you work. That's one reason many businesses choose Method CRM over more general CRM software. Before we finish, here are a few tips for beginners. Take some time to explore the dashboard before changing settings. Connect your QuickBooks or Zero early if you already use it. Create a few sample customers so you can practice safely. Use activities to keep track of every customer conversation. And don't worry about learning every feature on your first day. Start with leads, customers, estimates, and invoices. Once you are comfortable with those, you can move on to automation and customization. So, what's my opinion? If your business already uses QuickBooks and you need a CRM that works closely with it, then Method CRM is definitely worth checking out. It combines customer management, sales, jobs, scheduling, invoicing, and QuickBooks or Zero integration into one platform. The interface is beginner friendly, and once you understand the basic workflow, it can save you a lot of time by reducing manual work and keeping everything organized. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you to understand how to use Method CRM as a beginner. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description to try Method CRM for yourself. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.